Imagine walking to the office tomorrow and finding that 3 of the jobs that your team hates the most are completely done accurately, overnight, and for free. That is the picture what most people hope for whenever they hear AI and automation. But here's the catch. Not every task is worth automating. Not every business is ready for it. That's why we run an AI automation audit. Before we dive deep into what actually is an AI automation audit, we have to learn more about what are AI automation and what are AI agents, because those two are often confused by business owners. Okay, so here we're going to dive what is actually an automation and an AI agent. So basically, an AI automation is a smart, invisible helpers or a workflow that do the repetitive task for you. So common tools that automators are using is N8N, Zapier, and Make. So basically, how this works is, I like to say it, is see, decide, and do. So the helper or the AI sees the data, reads it, forms, image, anything input that you're having in the business process, decides on what that data means, and then click, types, or sends that info like a person would. What's great about AI and automation is hiring someone to do this task for you is it runs 24/7, never gets tired, but only implement this where it makes money or saves pain. If there are things that don't need to be AI automated, doesn't have to be AI automated. Okay, so not every process needs this, but the boring high volume ones. So quick examples are staff copies web orders into your accounting app. You skim through emails and tag urgent, and HR types resume data into a tracker. So anything that's data tracking, that's what AI automation excels at, especially data entry, transcriptions, script writing. So a few examples I have here is my own portfolio. Look at that. So an outreach system that scrapes the internet for leads, put them in a spreadsheet, and where AI is part of the automation is the personalization part. So instead of hiring, like, let's say, virtual assistant looking through every website one by one, you have AI to analyze, to give a summary of what their business are, and have AI personalize that part of the email. Another samples of this are, we can have a workflow where it reads the upcoming emails, flags it if it's a customer support day, and respond to that email. So these are automations. And then AI agents, on the other hand, they are more of like a virtual employee. This is completely autonomous, meaning it decides for itself instead of us telling what to do. Okay, that's us. It moved the typo. It has its own brain, and we only tell them the outcome that we want. Let's say in this example. So imagine telling ChatGPT, hey, I want to schedule a meeting with John tomorrow, and tell him that it's an emergency. So AI will look at that and be like, okay, the user wants me to schedule an appointment. He's not telling anything, right? So the AI agent will go to the tool, schedule the meeting, and tell John that it's important. That's a wrap what they are. So what is an AI automation audit? Basically, an AI automation audit, it's basically a short hands-on checkup for your business operation. It's a 30 to 45-minute call where we walk through one or two everyday workflows. Examples are order processing, invoicing, customers support, or client onboarding, all the repetitive tasks so that you can focus on building client relationships and streamlining better operation, and just all those high quality stuff instead of all the manual. It's zero preparation for you. Basically, it's like having your own AI automation therapist, and we take notes. Next is stop time wasters. It highlights the steps that are repetitive, error prone, and just annoying. With this, it shows where the money and hours actually leaks out. Feasibility check. We figure out, could a simple bot or tool handle this? Would it pay off? Like, which one should we invest? Should we invest in AI automation or an AI agent? And it avoids automating the wrong things, like from a client. that I had the conversation with, he basically said he spent thousands of dollars in AI incorporation and it really worked well in the industry. So back-end automation is useful. So again, not everyone needs AI agents, not everyone needs AI automation, but it's extremely helpful once you know where to leverage and implement those. And then quick win list. You get a one-page summary with 2 or 3 high-value automation ideas, plus a rough savings. It will be a clean next step, no tech jargons. You would have it, you would understand it. A clean summary of the audit. Next is, it's a go, no go advice. Sometimes the verdict says leave it as it is. Saves you from shiny object spending. There are a lot of things to consider when building AI automation and AI agents completely customized to your business. So basically, that's what an AI automation audit is and the basic introduction to what AI automation and AI agent is. It's a fast, honest look at where automation can actually help your business. No cost, no jargon, just clarity. Thanks for listening.